All right. Let's go. Actually, let's jump right into it. Got some action here. All right, so it looks like ELWS and that's it right now. The big runner is ELWS. That already mooned today, 55%, and it's continuing to moon here post-market. When did this... I low-key missed this one, which is a good thing. So it looks like, yeah, it didn't really move till the very end, like 350 here. And then it just started mooning here post-market. Pulling back now, kind of looks like a bull flag, so be careful. But I'm trying to short this one at 85 cents. Below that, hopefully it comes back up, we get filled, and then it tanks. But yeah, only runner right now, no shares available. Other than that, not really much going on here. There's a ALGN. That's a very large cap stock, though, so not going to go for that. So yeah, we'll come back to this. Really, only runner right now is ELWS. All right, we got more runners. RNAS. This one moons a lot, but this one's picking up action. RNAZ. Are there shares on that? No, there's not. All right, so yeah, only play really is ELWS, and we will come back to this. Also, a good play is a IFBD. That one moon today as well, but I think you need quite a bit of margin to play that. So, personally, not gonna go for it, but maybe it'll stay up here, and I can get in tomorrow morning. Anyway, yeah, welcome back to the live trading here. So, yeah, as of right now, once again, it's really just ELWS, and that's already pulling back. So, not too much going on here. Let's get back to the intro. All right, what up, everyone? What up, Ken Koya and Nikachu? Where's my...
Hey, hey, hey! What's up?
Thanks, everyone, for being here. Appreciate everyone as always. And yeah, ELWS is already back down to 73, so not sure if we're going to get filled there. Probably not. All right, so today is... Today is Wednesday, January 31st, 2024. I'm your host, Ty, and this is Smarter Speculation. Today we're doing the show from Raministan. Go.
Good.
Not good for me. Our NAZ is picking up some action here, by the way. But not good for me. I am in the green today, although it is pulling back now. We'll get to that. I'm not going to spoil it here, but I was deeper in the green, and some stuff decided to start mooning here. But anyway, yeah, we'll get to that during my plays. RNAS mooning again. Yeah, it's getting up there. We should probably set an order. But yeah, not too much planned for today, guys. Should be another short and chill show. Oh, Ramistan. Matter of fact, let's just do RNAS real quick, then let's come back to this. Don't want to miss out on this potentially. There's no shares, but we should submit the order anyway. All right, we're going to go for 103 on RNAZ. And I don't have too much buying power here. It's gonna work. Let's see. Oops. Alright, I gotta set the price a little higher. Alright, so I set my price to 110. I would usually take 103, but not too much buying power available. It's already pulling back anyway. Alright, so I guess we'll come back to this. Nothing really going. Post market here, again, just ELWS, and that's already pulling back. Okay. Nikachu says he's short Mark at 149. Congrats, dude. Well done. Wow, that's quite the gain, huh? Because I'm short here at like 115, and even I made quite a bit. So yeah, congrats. Fat gain there. How does he have shares? I don't know, but because it did moon yesterday, and it filled me at 115, so he might have literally shorted the top. So I'll take his word for it. Internet is bad. My internet or your internet? Mine looks fine today. Did you get an IFBD? No. I want to, but it's probably already done as well. Yeah, I didn't. I should have, but yeah, no margin, dude. So that's unfortunate. Yeah, you even said it. Margin was too high, only let you short 600. So yeah, I was trying to short that out of the halt. But yeah. Not enough margin, and probably too late now, so whatever. But no, I didn't get in there. Interesting. MNTS is starting to run here, and I might get filled on that. I'm like 1 cent away from getting filled on MNTS. MNTS, yeah. Because I had an order open at 111, and it's going up here post market, so it hit 110 and then came back down. I don't know if I'm getting front run here, but I think I'll take MNTS. Not the best short at the moment, but worth a worth a stab here. So I think I'll go for that if it hits 111. Anyway, other than that, yep, nothing really going here. So we'll come back to this. Let's get to my plays today. If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button. Please, thank you. Or did we complete the intro? Anyway, let's finish the intro real quick. So should be pretty short and chill show today. Not too much content. Only one article about the Fed's decision, rate cuts or lack thereof, rather. So yeah, daily stock and crypto reviews. My plays today. One article. Only TA planned for today is Mark. That was number 1 on StockTwits today, or number 2, can't remember. Full disclosure, I am still currently short MARK. Up big, didn't cover yet, so yeah, have to disclose that. I do currently have a position in that, so might be a bit biased, but we'll do that. And anything else you guys want me to look at. And we'll finish up with our YOLOs. We do have a few today, I think like 5 or so, so that should be fun. Anyway, yeah. Shouldn't be that long of a show. Every time I say that, we go an hour plus, but all right, cool. That's it for the intro. Let's go. And before we begin, please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. All right, boom. Can you look at Nexi? Yeah, that one is kind of dumb. Because I was up pretty decently on that, and then it started mooning out of nowhere. It was down to, yeah, it was down in the 11 range. And then, I don't know, last 2 hours came right back up, back in the green. So I'm currently in there, average 14.23. So, not too happy about that today. But sure, we'll do Nexi. I'm in there anyway. All right, let's do another scan. Looks like, yep, still nothing going on here. Let's do a refresh. All right, there's some action there. Elab. Elab 74. $104. Yeah, Elab is mooning here. We'll put it in order. No shares. So we'll put it in order for 100 or 104. But ELAB is starting to go here. All right, order in. So that's starting to, oops. Some action on that now. Already pulling back though. Neo all-time low getting in for a bounce. All right, dude, good luck there. I would say that's more like a swing trade than a day trade. But yeah, dude, you already know. Buy low, sell high as a bull. All right, what's up? Scanner break. Wait, you got shares on Nexi? Yeah, I'm in Nexi, dude. I think I got in last night. Forgot when I got in, but I'm in Nexi, yeah. 14.20 average. So, yeah, I'm down. And it's running here post-market, so that's not good. Matter of fact, I'm also in GHSI. We'll get to that right now. Yeah, but don't know what's going on here. You an RSVN two-tie? No, I didn't go for that. Should have been. I should have went for that. But decided not to revenge trade it, and this is the situation. I should have done that. Anyway, yeah, welcome back to this. Let's get to my plays today. Give me a second to update here. All right. So a bunch of new stuff, actually. What? Is this CNXA? All right, there we go. A few more. Huh. I guess today was pretty good for me. Didn't even realize. All right, let's do it. And minimum. All right, let's do it. Yeah, GHSI closed at 838. Why is it moving to 9 now? That's, I don't really like what's going on there. And Nexi All right, next he closed at 15, so I guess that's about right. I'm not sure what's going on with GHSI though. Anyway, let's do it. So NEUE up 25, PYPD up 185, BCEL up 35, ONMD down 1400. That was the good today. Mark, MARK, the stock we're going to be talking about today, up 2260. So one of the major runners there. GHSI, just saw me complain about that, down 770. Nexi, NEXI, down 150. Yeah, I probably should have covered that today. Came all the way back up. Now we're holding a bag, unfortunately. But yeah, down 150 there. CNXA down 200. Wow. And that one has shares available now. So if you guys want, not financial advice, CNXA, ran quite a bit today and now is at a good price, 38 cents. If you guys want to go for that. Not many shares available. So yeah, CNXA pulling back. I'm down 115 there now. And then shorted and covered a bunch of stuff here. TRIB, SINT, PHIO for a couple $1,000s there. So as of right now, I think I'm down post-market here. Probably most definitely. Yeah, so I'm up $2,200 as of right now. It was closer to 4K earlier. I was up like 4K earlier. So pretty big pullback. Up over 2K today, which is still definitely good. So yeah, I'll take it. Considering today was so bearish, I'll take it for sure. So yeah, congrats to the Rainbow Bears. Shout out to the Rainbow Bears. And yeah, looks like a bloodbath. So we'll do the watch list right now. Bro, I cover RSVN. Bro, I cover an RSVN dipping. WTF, bro. Why do it do that kind of stuff every time? Yeah, you already know, dude. It's conspiracy. The market makers are in against you. At least it feels that way. So if a huge sell-off was short covered early for 5% gain but went long here. All right. Not sure what the chart looks like there, but awesome, dude. Good luck there. Sounds like you're a pretty good trader. Haven't seen you here before, but from what you said so far, sounds like you know what you're doing. So awesome, dude. Congrats and good luck. I used to be pretty bullish on NEO as well. Good thing I sold when it did, but I do believe in that company long term. All right, now financial advice. Cool. So right now, still holding 8 plays. What am I missing here? Oh, CNXA. All right, so yeah, up a little over 2K today. Let's go. Cool. Let's do another scan. Give myself the money. All right, so refresh here. Still nothing going on. So let's get on to, and there goes eLab. Let's get on to the watch list. Start with the indexes. So the Dow Jones down 0.82%. NASDAQ down 1.94%. Ouch. And SPY down 1.63%. Mega go. This is a bloodbath today. VIX is up 7.81%, which is 1.04 points. So we're at 14.35 VIX now, which is overall still, pretty good, pretty bullish. Nothing to be worried about just yet, but that is a big increase in the VIX in one day. So we should take note of that. Let's start on the green side. Barely anything in the green here. Barely anything. There's PHUN. That's still going. Amazing. Paramount. Really not much going here. GM, MasterCard, AT&T, Fox, Intel, Pfizer. But barely anything in the green. And so I guess literally everything in the red. Not going to spend too much time here. There's MARK at the top, Mark. We're going to analyze that very shortly. Yeah. Damn, Google got wrecked, bro. Because they had earnings yesterday, that's right. But damn, Google's down 7.5%. Good. Yeah, SoFi is pulling back 6.8%. Let's see here. This is pretty bad. So, don't see too much value. Well, there's Microsoft. They also had earnings down 2.7%, not nearly as bad as Google. Yeah, Google was pretty bad. But yeah, Nike 2.5, Discover, AMD 2.5, Meta 2.5, Amazon 2.4, Tesla 2.3. So, a lot of red here, especially tech. Apple 2%. Anyway, literally everything in the red, growth and value. Boomers and apes getting destroyed here. Pretty hard to make tendies unless you were a rainbow bear, it seems like. So yeah, shout out to the rainbow bears, and good to everyone else. Yeah, absolute bloodbath today. Let's look at SPY real quick, matter of fact. So yeah, big red candle there. I mean, we were at an all-time high yesterday, but yeah, gap down, which is a bullish indicator, and a big red candle here. And post-market is going to the upside, so looking bullish for tomorrow. Anyway, if we zoom out, though, there are some gaps to be filled down here. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But this was a biggest red day in a long time, actually. There was one back here, which was kind of bad in December, but this is one of the most bearish days we had in quite some time here. SPY's been ripping. All right, what up, sweet and salty? If you guys haven't yet, please smash the like button, please and thank you. Can you explain rainbow bearing? Is that LGBTQ reference? Yeah, it is. It really comes from Wall Street Bets. I don't know if you frequent Wall Street Bets. It's the forum we go to when we do the YOLOs. So it's not really referring to that community, but usually people don't like bears. I'm just saying that because for censorship purposes, I can't really be saying certain words on YouTube, but it's nobody likes a rainbow bear. Nobody really likes bears, Well, bulls don't. So yeah, they call bears rainbow bears, and I just kind of embrace it. Anyway, yes, it's a little insensitive. It's not the most PC, but it's used in Wall Street Bets. Yeah, Wall Street Bets slang. I had to adjust the wording a little bit, so YouTube doesn't ban me. Yeah, Koya has a good explanation there. I just can't really say it live. But yes, it's internet slang, Wall Street Bet slang. All right, let's do another scan here. So yeah, pretty slow post market. Oh, MINM is still going here. No shares there, but let me see if I can. Oh, let me submit the order. All right, so MINM is a pretty good play, not financial advice. But that is up quite a bit and still going post-market here. So no shares, but put in the order for that. Yeah, it's pretty slow today. So we'll come back to this. But yeah, MINM is up 30% now post-market, 35%. So closed at 410 up to 425. So we'll try to get filled there. MARK is still pulling back, bro. That's down to 60 now. Good. I really have no idea what I'm going to cover that, because it's still heavily shorted. Yeah, so the low was 64 on the day, and now it's down to 60, so it's still pulling back post-market. That's pretty disgusting. All right, cool. What are we doing now? Crypto in the news, right? All right, let's move on to crypto and the news. So it looks pretty slow, but keep your eye on MINM. MINM, yeah. And even IFBD is holding up pretty well. All right, let's get to, one second here. Let's get to crypto and the news. One second. All right, cool. Damn. Is this correct? I don't know if this is correct. I think it's correct. But crypto's down 8.45% today. That is really, really bad. It seems mostly altcoins, because Bitcoin didn't get hit too hard. But yeah, wow, Bitcoin's down 3%. Ether 4.9. Binance 3.4. Solana 7.6. So yeah, this is a pretty bad day in crypto. So I guess double bloodbath, huh? Bloodbath crypto, bloodbath stock market. Let's sort this out. So great day to be a rainbow bear. I don't know about everyone else. But yeah, so green side, we got a whole 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 coins in the green. Biggest gainer is Leo, 2.7%. So yeah, pretty nothing happening on the green side today. And red side, 95% of the coins in the red. Not the biggest price action, actually. Biggest loser is Jupiter, 61%. What just happened? What was that? All right, I got filled for 100 on MINM. So a very small fill, but that's a good sign. So the shares are opening up there. So I will gladly take the rest of those. Cool. All right, so a very small fill on MINM, but hopefully we get fully filled there soon. FTX is down 18%. Who's still buying that? That's crazy. So don't see too much value here. Mostly growth. Well, Solana's down 7.6%. I guess there's a good mix. Yeah, this is a very bearish day. Growth and value getting wrecked in crypto, but actually Bitcoin is holding up pretty decently. But yeah, mega bloodbath in crypto as well as the stock market today. So good. Hope you bulls, you apes, didn't get too wrecked. Hang in there. Yeah, really, really bearish day. And I didn't even make that much. So, all right. One article today. Let's do it. And this is a pretty big news here. And this is pretty much why the market sold off so hard today. Biggest factor, biggest reason. Fed Chief Jerome Powell says a March rate cut is not likely. I don't think it's likely. All right, so another 25 shares filled on MINM. My bad. I don't think it's likely that the committee will reach a level of confidence by the time of the March meeting to cut rates, Powell said. The Fed chair said earlier in a press conference that rate cuts would likely begin at some point this year. Stocks fell to their session lows as the Fed chief dashed hopes of traders who want the central bank to slash rates sooner before there's a recession. All right, so there you have it. So the last time the Fed met, Jay Powell said the next 3 years are gonna look bullish. Looking at cut rates within the next 3 years, a couple times a year. So I think he said like 2 times this year, possibly. But not so soon. Not so soon. Not in March, at least. They're confirming there's going to be no changes in March. So they're not going to raise it anymore. They're done raising rates. They made that clear. But no cuts just yet. So, yeah, not bullish. Definitely bearish. Market responded. And, yeah, reacted very negatively. Very bearish day. So, yeah, big news today. This is the biggest reason why the market ran the way it did today. Cool. And with that, let's get to some TA. What time is it? 4:37. So we're doing pretty good on time here. So once again, we're going to do Mark. Once again, I'm currently short this. I currently have a short position in Mark. So full disclosure, may be a bit biased. All right. And before we do that, let's do another scan here. So we'll do MARK and NEXI, NEXI. Mark is down to 57 now. Oh my god. Good. Yeah, I should probably cover soon. I don't want to get too greedy, but it just keeps on going down, and it's still heavily shorted. So maybe I'll cover it tomorrow. I don't know. This is up quite a bit here, and I had a lot more shares before. I just de-risked. I unloaded half already, and then probably should not have. But it is what it is. Just happy I'm printing here. But yeah, Mark is getting wrecked today. Anyway, MINM is up to 444 now. That is mooning. Interesting. Yeah, that's a runner. MINM. If you guys want to submit some orders for that. And the IFBD still pulling back. And I think ELWS is pretty much done. Yeah, so pretty much nothing going here. But MINM is starting to run. That's about it. Cool. Let's do some TA. So, yeah, here it is. Mark. M-A-R-K. So, yeah, this definitely squeezed yesterday on news that they have a Microsoft partnership here. Crazy squeeze went all the way from 30 cents, 32 cents to 150. So 5x, 500%. Pretty insane. Personally, I got in here at 115 yesterday. And the price action was crazy. If you guys saw yesterday's show, I was like pretty stressed all post-market watching this squeeze. But then it just started tanking out of nowhere. So, yeah, kept pulling back all day. Closed at 64.5 and pulling back even more here, down to 57 post-market. But, all right, let's analyze. So, RSI at 53, which is pretty fair market value. So, this was overbought and overvalued, but this is this is around fair market value. Maybe it should be a little bit lower. Volume's coming down, so that's bearish. Aftermarket action, bearish. There's not too many indicators to go off of, to be honest. This was a cup and handle at 150. And the bottom is 30, so... Or maybe, yeah, we'll call it 40. So very rough estimate. This may pull back... Huh. Well, I think the cup and handle is getting rejected here. So that's a bearish indicator. Yeah, cup and handle was forming here. Handle... It looks like it's a little too low to start forming a handle. But, hey, who knows? It might bounce back. Anyway. Yeah, not really any bullish indicators. All bearish indicators. Not so many indicators in general, but all bearish indicators here. Rejected cup and handle. Aftermarket action. Volume coming down. And neutral indicator on the RSI. So I'm not sure how much... Alright, that one was MNTS. Cool. So I'm in MNTS now. And hopefully it doesn't moon on me from here. And that didn't cost me any buying power. So, alright, cool. I'm in MNTS there. Got distracted. Alright, we in there. So, definitely short-term bearish. I don't know how much further it's going to go down. It already crashed a lot. And RSI says, you know, this is fair market value. So I look to cover soon. If you're currently short, I look to cover pretty soon. Maybe tomorrow. I would probably cover by Friday for sure. I'm probably going to cover tomorrow or Friday. And it's a falling knife right now. So it's still a decent short, but probably a little too late if you want maximum tendies. So I think the best play at this point, yeah, cover soon if you're short and look for a entry on the long side. May have to wait a couple of days, falling knife, so expect more down, negative price action here. But once this starts to bottom out, catch support, should be a good time to enter. That may be like 50 or 40. But yeah, right now it's falling knife. Best way to go about it, cover your shorts soon and go long. Try to catch the bottom on this. Going long. Easier said than done. But yeah, short squeeze, pulling back right now. Squeeze done. Falling knife. Damn, and MNTS is starting the run here. It's up to 116. So, yeah, I'm down on that now. Go. And let's do Nexi. All right, let's do Nexi. Yeah, MNTS is quite a bit of action here post-market. It's already up to 118. Low-key pumping here. 119. What is going on? Let's look at it real quick. Yeah, big green candle. It was consolidating 105, and now it's just breaking out up to 120 now. 122. This is not good. 123. Uh-oh. Maybe I should have waited. It's at 124. Yeah, this ain't too good. I don't know why it's surging here, but it is. And, well, I'm in at 111. So, we'll see how it goes. Excuse me. But not looking too good here. Up to 125. I don't know why this is so green. Bro, MNTS is squeezing? Yeah, I see that. I got caught. Well, I mean, it's too early to panic. But look at that. That's a lot of price action. I don't know what's going on here. So, yeah, it looks pretty strong. Hit 126 and a few minutes of straight green here. No pullback. So, yeah, personally, I'm not too thrilled about that. And looks like it still wants to go to the upside here. It's holding up very well. And this is probably where it flags. Hopefully not, but probably. Alright, anyway, let's go back to Nexi. So, pretty decent short, if you ask me, not financial advice, MNTS. Alright, and Nexi, so another frustrating one. I'm also currently in this one. Alright, cool. So currently at 15. RSI's at 75, so this is overbought and overvalued. Bearish indicator. And this is a gap up at 543. Gap up at 543, so this should pull back down to 543. May take a while, and may not even come back down there, but yeah, gap up, so there's that, and there's actually another gap up way back here at 260. So, yeah, that's, wow, this really squeezed out of nowhere, huh? So that's quite a bit to the downside, but in the longer term, this might pull back down to 543 and then 260, so yeah, it looks extremely bearish in the short term. But it is low-key still squeezing. It's not over yet. But yeah, after this hit 28, 29, it really shouldn't go that much higher. And not financial advice, it looks like it's going to crash pretty soon. Not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But yeah, a lot of bearish indicators, double gap up, RSI, volume coming down. So, yeah, I'm going to say short-term bearish on this one. Again, I'm currently short, so maybe biased, but looks pretty bearish to me based on the indicators. So, definitely wouldn't go long, would hit the sell button. And, yeah, good entry, 15. You can cover anywhere from here all the way down to 540, and don't really think you should hold it longer than that on the short side, but this may come all the way down to as low as 260 to fill the gap. All right. Cool. MNTS bull flag forming. All right, well, that's Nexi. Looks like MNTS is pulling back a little here. I don't want to jinx it. Well, that is what a bull flag does. Yeah, it does look like it's... Hopefully this rejects and just goes straight down. But, alright, it may actually be doing that. It looks like it's rejecting the flag. I don't want to... Every time I talk, you know, I jinx myself. But It looks a little too weak to be a flag now. It looks like a bull flag's getting rejected, so don't want to speak too soon. But that's a good thing for the bears. Can you do MINM? Sure. MNTS has my my man parts forming. Yeah, if it comes back down to 105 or 105 to the 110 105 range, that's where the second shoulder would start to form. So yeah, if this rejects, it's not even much resistance here. We'll see what happens. But moment of truth here soon. It's either going to reject the bull flag or break out. I think 115 is some critical resistance, so we'll see what happens here. Anyway, starting to show weakness, so that's good. A lot of weakness. And sure, let's do MINM. So I'm also currently in this one. Okay, just picked up some more shares there. So I actually have a decent position now. $1,000, $1,100. So yeah, I'm partially in here. And I might get fully filled by the end of the day, by the end of the night. But yeah, MINM. Big runner today and post-market here. So let's do it. So yeah, aftermarket action currently bullish. So bullish indicator for tomorrow. But gap up back at 274. So probably going to pull back there at some point. And then also another gap up at $1. So maybe pull back there at some point. Wow, this is crazy volatile, right? It's like pump and dump and pump and dump and pump and dump on this. So careful, because this may just, pump again. But in the short term here, in the immediate short term, it's still running. So, it's another squeeze, gamma squeeze it looks like. So it may already be done. So there may be more upside to go, but, that it's pretty dangerous. It's going to come down at some point, so I would not even bother going long here. I think it's a little too late for that. The apes say one moon nexi. That's good. So it makes me feel, bearish indicator. If the apes are on it, it's probably going to tank. So that's good for us. And CNXA is down at 35. Nice. So post-market is actually not too bad now. There was some news about this, was there? Probably. Investor David Lazar buys 2 million shares. I don't know what the news is. Anyway. So yeah, immediate short term may keep running for a day or two, but should pull back pretty soon here to at least 275, 274, where the gap is. Yeah, so if you want to gamble, go long. No, I wouldn't do that. I wouldn't recommend that. But if you want to gamble, you can go long here. But personally, looks like a much better short play. Still risky because this is volatile. If you're, if you don't like risk, you should probably stay away from this. But yeah, a gamble. But I think going short is more likely to pay off than going long. And yeah, I'm currently short this. Not by much, but trying to get a full fill on the short side. So, yeah, a gamble, more bearish than bullish, and I'm trying to short this. Cool. All right, let's do another scan here. Well, the 10-year yield now down to 3.91. A week ago, that would have been bullish AF. Yields giving Powell the middle finger, haha. Huh, that's down quite a bit. It was at 5 something not too long ago, I don't think so. I think. Yeah, so the, well, you know, it's actually coming back to where it's supposed to be now, because before we had an inverted yield curve. You got Alibaba portfolio update? Sure. All right, I think we have time. All right, another scan. MNTS is going up again. How is it pulling up at high speeds in after hours? Well, because there's a wide bid ask, you know, not too much volume, and no stops or no halts. So it's really not too bad. But yeah, looking at it now, I didn't get the best price. So we'll see what happens with it. Looks like a double top there at 125. Hopefully this isn't a bull flag, but double topped at 125 and critical support. So critical resistance 125. It's actually a triple top. Maybe a cup and handle. If this might be a cup and handle. Handle's forming and it might break out from here. I'm not really liking this, to be honest. But we'll see what happens. All right, let's finish up with our YOLOs. I think we got 4 today. And XT. Let me see something. Can I see the short shares? Yeah, there's 280K. So not the most, but it's not really being actively shorted. But yeah, went up actually, 290K about. All right. So let's finish up with our YOLOs here. Cool. Yeah, we got 4 today, and then we'll do our update from the Alibaba guy from Low Roller. It's now almost 5 o'clock, so yeah, we should be out of here in about 15 minutes. So doing good on time. All right, let's do it. So first one by Hanel 14, all in on America. Now this says he bought these February 1st and expires February 2nd. It's not even February 1st, so I don't know how that's possible. Maybe he's in Europe. I don't know. But FD 495 call SPY. Yeah, so 14K YOLO. Currently up 2.3K. So nice little small gain here. And this was 4 hours ago, so SPY is all right. How much this is worth now? So at the time, this was worth 51. Oh boy, this is probably in the red now. Hope he sold. Hope he sold. February 2nd. SPY 495 call. Yeah, it's worth 2 cents now. It's worth 2 cents. So, this might be worth almost nothing now. I think he bought these in the morning. Probably at market open. And, yeah, now they are worth 2 cents. So, I hope he sold. Any comments? I don't think he is. Oh, there he is. Oh, he commented about the... Yeah, he is overseas. Alright, I think he got wrecked. Sort by new. Yeah, let's see those losses. Yeah. Everyone says, hope he sold. Did not lose well. Yeah, so hope he sold. Probably didn't. So he was up 2.3K. Now he's probably down, almost 100%. So good.
And it's gone.
Ouch. Yeah. Post the loss, Corn, dude. Post the update. That has to hurt. Alright, next one by NVIDIA is my god. NVDA is my god. Can't say this word, but Seed by Jerome. Minus 10K. Microsoft had stellar earnings and decided to dump. Jerome Powell finished the rest of my positions off, going all cash and back to the grind. Good plan. Damn. So he blew up half his account today. 10.5K. 55%. So right off the bat, terrible risk management. So that's what happens when you play earnings. You can be right on earnings and still be wrong. So, yeah, don't YOLO half your account. And, yeah, typical Robinhood ape here. Down 10K. If it wasn't now, it was going to be sometime in the future. This is not good risk management. And you gamble like this, eventually it's going to get you. All right, MNTS is in the green now. Don't want to jinx it, but it did break 115. And it looks like 105 would be like a head and shoulders. Yeah, so it hit 105. Head and shoulders should be forming soon. Well, good chance it does. And that'd be bearish. Anyway, so big pullback here. Wow, maybe it might not even form a head and shoulders. Got a lot of red action here. Cool. Alright, looks like it is starting to catch support here at 105. So if it breaks 105, this is looking good. Bear flag / head and shoulders forming. So, and it's going to move again. Watch. But yeah, catching support at 105. Critical support if it breaks that. Should be looking pretty good. On the short side, let's do another scan here. Okay. And yep, still nothing going. So let's continue back with our YOLOs. So yeah, go. Wall Street Bets ape here. Robinhood ape. Not surprised. So good luck. Thanks for posting. And yeah, practice better risk management. Next one by Normal Re-Editor. 13K SPY. 0-day expiration. I hope he sold these as well. So SPY 489 call. Yep, damn, SPY went down 8 points today. So yeah, Super FD bought today, expires today. 13K YOLO, and he made 13K, 109%. Did he sell? Already sold with price above at peak. All right, nice. He sold. So quick scalped it. Good thing he did because this would have been worth nothing if he didn't sell when he did. Out of MNTS, it's giving you jitters. All right, appreciate it. So you sold off, so your sacrifice is appreciated. No, I'm half kidding, but you know, it never fails. So let's see if it tanks now. All right, so good thing he sold because this would have been really, really bad if he didn't. Would have been worth nothing. So 26K swing here. All right, chill, low roller. We got to get out of here soon. All right, this one's my quiet storage 5376 says yes. Doesn't say much. Down 16K this week, which is 28%. Cool. Looks like AMD FDs. All right, what's this from low roller? Lost 40K in 2 days. I've been there. It's not fun. What did he do? All my savings. All right, so not good risk management. Still has 8.5K. Damn. Hovered around 25K until I decided to day trade FDs. Smart. At first, you think you have an edge when things don't go your way. You take more and more risk trying to make back the losses until this happens. Likely 4K account tomorrow and nothing Friday unless a miracle happens. Fortunately, this was only a year's worth of work, so not the end of the world, but damn, makes me sick to my stomach. All right, so yeah, dude, you were grinding it up just fine. I don't know what happens. He was grinding it just fine, and then yeah, got too risky. Took a gamble with no risk management, and then once he was in a hole, he fell into the trap. So typical, Wall Street Bets mistake here. 8 mistakes. So I like his attitude, not letting it affect him too much. Looking at it from a grand scheme of things, but yeah, so took a little too much risk here, got emotional, and got in trouble. This does happen to a lot of people, so pretty unfortunate. But yeah, dude, I like the attitude. You'll be alright. But yeah, super good today. Still worth 8.5K. I guess he's just gonna hold till they expire worthless, I guess. You don't have to do that, dude, but yeah, don't all in your whole account. That's why. All right, and what's this one? So according picture 654. I'm a victim of today's market. Please feed me confirmation buy so I can sleep tonight. At least there's a sense of humor about it. So down 30% today, 29%, 7,500. On what, dude? This is probably just, SPY calls. Just FDing when he shouldn't be. Well, these expire in March, so they're not exactly... They're still FDs, but... Yeah, Apes got wrecked today, huh? Damn. Good. Alright, cool. And let's just look at this guy's portfolio and let's get out of here. Let me, I'm not going to play the video, but let me...
We just don't need...
Unmute. He made 10K today. Wow. Alright. So let's look at his positions. So he's Amazon, Disney, Southwest, SoFi, and then he also has covered calls on all of them. What did he make 10K on? SoFi? I don't even know, bro. But yeah, he's up 10K today. Very, very nice. What did he make 10K on? Everything tanked today. Let's see it puts. Alright, cool. Well, good for him. Glad he's grinding his account back. Awesome. Congrats to him. Cool. And with that, it's now 5:11, so video is January 30th. Alright, so that's when SoFi mooned, I guess. Good for him. Hope he sold. Alright, MINM is it's going a bit crazy here. It's up 50% post-market now. I'm actually down $80 on that. Craziness. Yeah. You don't think he sold? All right, so we probably gave a lot of that back, and maybe all of it soon. Good. All right, anyway, that's pretty much the show for today. So we went an hour, 10 minutes. Hope you guys enjoyed. So, kind of a slow post-market, but I did short MNTS here. Damn, it's going back to the upside. And then partial fill on MINM. Hopefully we get fully filled there soon. Next see when moon? Hopefully not. Hopefully it tanks. When tank. Alright, so final scan. Yeah, what things to look for? MINM. That's about it. Some slight action down here on ADAP and some other stuff, but if anything runs, I'll let you guys know on Discord. For now, it's really just MINM. Okay. And IFBD possibly decent short there. It's down quite a bit post-market, but yeah. All right, cool. So that's all I got for now. All right. Props. So, yep, that's it for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Not a short show, but not so much content to cover. Decent rainbow bearing. So, yeah, really, really bearish day. Sorry. Hope you guys are holding up. Hope you didn't lose too much money. Yeah, really the only people making money today are the shorts. So, and even myself, I didn't make that much. So, pretty rough day for everyone. And, you know, hopefully this doesn't continue. Kind of overdue, to be honest, if you want to, in my opinion, because, you know, market's been ripping like crazy. But, of course, you wouldn't want this overall. Anyway, extremely bearish day today. Bloodbath in the stock market and crypto. So, yeah, we'll see what the tomorrow holds and Friday. 2 more days left till the end of the week. So if anything else happens, I'll let you guys know in Discord. Yeah. Appreciate everyone. Please smash the like button before you get out of here. And that's all I got. So I will catch you guys tomorrow. Cool. Alright, and with that, let's get out of here. Thanks everyone for watching today. I appreciate you guys. Please like the video, please subscribe, and catch me every weekday after market close on the Smarter Speculation Show. I'm Ty. This is Smarter Speculation. See you guys tomorrow. Peace out.